So hi guys, today I'm going to kill a warden in hardcore but without armor.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Hi guys, walang armor. That sound impossible to you guys? Or not? So guys, kung hindi nyo pa alam yung warden, if you don't know the warden guys, ito yun guys. So, ito, papatayin ko siya sa hardcore ko na walang armor. Sa hardcore, pag namatay tayo, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-respawn pa. One life lang talaga. I think, diba guys, ang lakas niya. So, hindi nyo kayang patayin. Oh, look at that, mo. Yung baboy. Oh my gosh. Sensei yung baboy. So, ayan guys. I'm going to kill it in hardcore guys. So, wala tayong armor. So, ano guys, survival natin. So, wait lang. Naka-hard yan para same sa hardcore. Come on, die.
Kanta na lang tayo ng lamo, 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 lamo.
So guys, nakita yun na hindi magiging madali ito. But what if I lost my hardcore? I'm gonna cry. Joke guys, I'm joking. So this, pag gusto gawin to, make sure na i-backup nyo yung wall nyo. Kasi sa akin, wala, di ko binabackup. Bahala na kung magkamali ako o hindi. So guys, we are here. So ito yung mga stuff ko guys. My armor, look, trash because I'm poor. So tapos ito guys, mga stuff ko. So ang meron lang tayo dito ay Unbreaking 3, Density 3, Windburst 3, and Fire Aspect 2 sa enchants ko sa maze. And this is my hardcore. Yep, I'm going now. So guys, next pa na siya guys. So let's see if I can beat this. By the way, I'm doing this. This is not the first time I do guys. Bale, pangatlo ko na tong gagawin. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I see now. Let's bring it on. So that is how I kill warden.